How to fix YouTube homepage not showing videos problem. So if you're facing a problem with YouTube homepage, then first you need to open up your YouTube application. And if you're not receiving any videos on your homepage, then it might be an issue of watch history. So if you have turned off your watch history, then you won't be able to have the videos. So what you can do is simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and you can go for history, and under your history you will have view all on the right side. Tap on view all, and here it says that your watch history has been paused. So what you can do is go for your profile, go for the settings, which is on the upper right, and tap on manage all history. And here you will have not saving your YouTube history, right? Tap on that, and here you need to tap on turn on, and again tap on turn on, and got it. And that's it. That's how you turn on your YouTube watch history. And after that, if you open your YouTube application, you will have all of the videos on your feed. So that's how you can fix your YouTube homepage not showing videos problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.